The answer to that is they are not supposed to confiscate your out-of-state license. Officers in California, whether they're CHP, California Highway Patrol, police department, local police departments, sheriffs, whoever, they are all allowed and supposed to, under the administrative per se laws, if you get arrested for a DUI and they believe that your alcohol level is 0.08 or greater, they will take your license and they send it to DMV and you don't get that one back. You'd have to go get a new one. But yes, they are. If you have a license from out of state, for example, I'm working on a case in Marin County right now, and the person I'm representing has a license from out of state. The officers did not take that person's license, and that person is still able to drive in California on their out-of-state license. What we need to do in those situations, in any DUI arrest situation, is contact the local Department of Motor Vehicles, the Driver Safety Office, and for Marin County, that would mean contacting San Francisco DMV and requesting an administrative hearing and a stay of suspension so that there will be no suspension of the privilege to drive for the person who has the out-of-state license. And we run into those situations where we have, people coming into the state and working here. A lot of time it's electrical stuff, those type of contracts, nursing contracts. People come into California for all sorts of reasons. Right now with COVID-19 going on, we are seeing so many nurses coming into California, and also going out to other states. But if someone comes into California from another state and gets a DUI, which we've seen multiple times over the years, it's very common. The cops, the police department, the CHP, whoever makes the DUI arrest is not supposed to take their license. They will typically give them a pink sheet, a temporary license, which has the instructions for requesting an administrative per se hearing. Now, sometimes the officers will take the license, and that's problematic because usually we can't get it back. It's just already sent off to DMV and you're not going to see it again. So what you would need to do is, if you're staying in California and you needed to get a California license anyway, apply for one here, or when you're back in your home state, reapply for it then, looking for a duplicate license. And hopefully you have your passport with you so that you have an ID that will work for travel and other things you need it for.